Hello everyone, welcome to Chemistry 210 class. This is a 1.5 hour lecture and 3 hours lab course. It's general chemistry first semester. So I do assume you have a little bit of chemistry before. So basically, assuming you have a high school chemistry, some of you may even have AP chemistry, but I don't really assume that. So this break down into lecture part and lab part. Okay, so lecture for your AX and BX lecture will start around 11 o'clock. We'll finish right around 12:30. Okay, if you do miss my lecture, I will definitely repost the Zoom video on the announcement section on Canvas, so you always have time and go back to look my lecture. So if this is a afternoon session, CX, DX, and EX section, our lecture will meet at 3:30 to 5 o'clock. So I will try to sync pretty well with my morning lecture, but I will 99% time I will just rerun myself again on live, so you can feel that interaction between me and students. So feel welcome to join me. All right. So this is for lecture part. For labs, a little bit more complicated labs. You know, our lab is a virtual lab now. So we do run lab by two different instructors. I will be doing AX lab, I'll be doing BX lab, I'll be doing the EX lab. So AX and BX we're going to be doing synchronously. So synchronously means that we're going to do according to a schedule, AX and BX. So AX will meet at 8:30 and BX will meet after 12:30. Okay, so we'll do it synchronously. We'll talk about the lab and activity and so on. Sure, everything will be on the recordings through the Zoom. And again, I'll post that recording in each individual section. So I do take attendance for that. Okay, so attendance is mandatory. There will be a lab assignment for each one, and I will classify the due date and everything here. Since we're not physically able to be in the lab room, so we have to do some simulation activity. So that will be a part of your grade as well. And EX labs, I'm going to be running that EX lab asynchronously. So I'll post that video so you guys will be watching the video. If you do have questions, then please do ask me through that through my email address. Okay? Any comments and concern you may have? Okay, great. So the third part will be the online homework you need to do. All right. So I do require the online homework. So I will talk about more on the online homework through Cengage. All right. So good luck to a very, very intense class, Chemistry 210 for next 8 weeks. So that's stay safe. Let's learn some chemistry. Good luck.